Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Technology Transforming, and thank you very much for your lovely support, your time, you are watching our videos and you are liking our videos. So thank you very much for that. And who are new in our channel, you can go to our channel page. There are many videos which will help you in terms of all the things like basic computer, how to operate. You don't If you don't know anything about basic computer, then you can see these videos. So these videos will really help you out in terms of what's in the computer basic. And then after that, if you are students of you want to have some paint work, so you can go through with our this paint series, then 3D paint. And if you are office going or whatever, you are just started your thing, so you can just see our videos with the MS Word. So our videos available on both the language, and we started this MS Excel series. And this Excel series we already done our 10th part with the Hindi and English both. And it's going to be continue. So today we'll start our session. So our session will be our the first sheet what we already did it, and we will explain to you today's tab thing, so how the tab will work. So you can just go with the home tab, and then you see there are many options, and many we already covered, so we will explain to you again one by one. So first we have paste. So you know what is the paste, cut, copy, paste, then format paint. Again, format paint is nothing, just simple. If you want, suppose this paint, and then you want color is red, and you want to same as this also. So what you will do, you will select this, just go into the format paint and just do it. So it will also having same thing, whatever color, whatever format, and all those things, it will happen automatically. So I am doing this undo. Then we have font here, and we have font size you can increase and decrease. What you can do, you can just click here and then press this. So whatever size you want, you can go size this. Pressing this reduce the size of this font, and suppose this is not similar, so you can just click again and do on that same. Then we have here this thing. So this thing I will explain to you. Basically this thing is there. Then suppose you want only bottom border, so you can this. First I will just do normal. So this will be the normal color. Is you can choose from here line style, line color. Suppose we want automatic, so it will be automatic. Then if you want top border, then it will top border, then left, and then right. So once if you want to do any particular border, then you can select. Otherwise you directly go, there are option of all borders, you just go all borders. Then we have option of outside borders. So suppose this is your text, so outside border will be there. Then if you want thicker border, so you can go there and just go into the thick border. It will there, the color you can choose, we already saw. If you want to draw border, then just click here, so it will draw automatically. Then if you want to erase border, anything, you can erase all the borders. And apart from that, line color, I said line style, if you want to change, you can change the line color, so style you can change. Line color we will also take red. So we select this, so this we can do border thing. Now if you want to put again some fill, so you can put some filling here. So this will be the fill. Once you put any text, the text color will be there. Then we'll show some this thing here. Basically, so this is a alignment, so this is top alignment. So if we do, it will go in top, it is in center, and it is down. So generally we put everything in center, then it is left, right, and center. So this you can play with. Then here is caption, you can put this text as vertical, then you can put like this, and whatever it is, whatever you want, you just to angle thing you can put it. And If you want the same, then again go to same, it will come as a same format. So this is there. Then we will talk about this web tag. So web tag is basically nothing but, you know, it is, suppose if something is not coming, then you can do web tags. The cell will be bigger. Then, you know, margin center. So margin center, I will give you example. This is the our suppose full cell, and you want this as one, so it will come margin center. So it is like that. Then we have here format, then different format. This is general. Then we have currency. So suppose currency, what we can do, generally everything is normal. This will be general. So if you click here, you can also do from here format cell, it is general. Okay, so suppose you want currency, so you just click currency, and the currency will be plus, and we want two places decimal, so you just click here. Then you just go to currency of which country basically. So again you go to format cell, and here dollars are there, so maybe Indian currency is also there, so you just go somewhere here. So this will be there, and you just put, if suppose 1000, it will come with the symbol. So basically format cell, you can do lot of things, like some other things you can do. You want number, currency, accounting, date. If date formats are there, so many date format are there, you can choose your own date format. Then time format is there, so you can choose time format, you know. So this will be there. Then percentile, we already did it. Scientific, if anything, you know, text, special, and custom, you can make your, here you can put your alignments, what alignments you want. Web text also you can do, shrink to fit, merge cell, that you can put font, which font you want, border, which border, you know, fill, what is fill you want, protection. So you can make it, you can lock, you can hidden, all those things you can do from here. So this is the format, and again format is there. Then conditional formatting, we already talk about all those things, you know, less than, greater than, and we talk about this, we already did in some statements. Format table, so any format table you want, you can put on that way, you know. So suppose this, so it will be format as per your requirement. Then this cell style is basically nothing but cell style is nothing but cell style is, I will show you how it is the cell style basically. So suppose this is the thing, and you want to cell style, and you can just, maybe this is outputs, output will be this, maybe this headings, heading will be like this, heading 2, heading 3. So you can put on your, if some percentage is there, it will come some bad, good, neutral, normal. So this will come on, you know, based on your, again, your requirement, your thing, your there's more things. Insert, suppose insert, you want to insert something in between these, so you click here, you just go insert cell. So where you want, it will going down, it is going up, you can click here. So many things you can do it. Then you have insert, we talk about. Then insert seed you can do, insert column you can do, insert seed you can do. From here delete, you want to delete that particular cell, so delete, and it again it is up because we put in the in between, so it can come automatically. So this is there. Then auto sum we already talk about, fill we already talk about, clear, if everything you want to clear. So anything from the cells you can remove from this. Sorting and filtering we talk about, sorting and filtering. So this you can use you know, with your many things, many filtering, many sorting, you can do it. Find and search, very important. So suppose we want to find something, suppose, okay, we want to find maybe you just see which number is more, so we want to find 89. Okay, so we will put here 89, and 89 will be here once we find it, and you know, 89 will be here. Then where it is 89 is there, 89 is here. So more number or more anything you want, you can find from this. Then replace, Suppose you want to replace 89 with 85, so you can do this and you can replace all. So it will say 4 is replaced. So where is 89? It will be now 85. So it's 85, you know. So basically we'll close this, and we'll again do Control Z. So based on the Control Z, it is automatically come whatever it is. So these things we can do. So I think we cover all the home menu. You got it, all the points. And again, if you like our video, please like it, share it with your family and friends, subscribe our channel if you new here, and we'll meet you next session. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.